In this real quick video, I'm going to show you a nice automotive trick, mechanics trick for knowing when the batteries are recharged. So right now I'm using the Rambler to charge these 5 big ass batteries. Each one of them is 850 cold cranking amps and 1000 cranking amps. And I'm using these massive cables here, and the trick is when the batteries are sucking in a lot of power because they're discharged, the engine will actually drop its RPMs because the alternator will be trying to produce a lot of power. So notice what happens to the sound when I disconnect the positive here and disconnect the battery. Listen to the RPMs. Then when I reconnect it, disconnect it, see how the RPM increases? Reconnect it, the RPMs decreased. So because these batteries are generating a load on the engine, or on the alternator, and therefore on the engine, when I disconnect them, I release that load and allow the engine to speed up, more RPMs. So, hope this helps.